This is a brand new 2013 Ford Flex. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a twin turbocharged forced induction system, a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, xenon headlights, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: heated seats, big 20-inch wheels, a power rear lift tailgate, leather seats, a security system, front fog lights, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, and power adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Boulevard Auto Sales is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at Route 113 at 18 in Georgetown.